So, you've probably heard about Cobblemon. It's a Minecraft mod that brings Pokémon into your world. You can catch and train your own Pokémon and go on adventures with them. The mod is still relatively new, so the developers are regularly updating it with fun and exciting content. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest and easiest way to get started with Cobblemon today. With your browser open, click the first link in the description below, or you can just copy and paste it into your address bar. That link will take you directly to the modpack page. To continue, you'll need to install CurseForge. Simply hit the install button and then confirm by clicking, "Yes, I want to install CurseForge." If you already have CurseForge installed, clicking that button will instantly begin downloading the mod pack. But if you don't have it yet, just go ahead and download it now. Once that's done, follow the on-screen instructions, accept the terms of service, and if you want, you can add a shortcut to your desktop. Just hit next a few times and the CurseForge installer will begin downloading. After it's installed, click launch. You'll see a short cool animation and then the CurseForge launcher will open. Before anything else, click skip intro. Then select Minecraft as the game you want to use. As you can see, there are no mod packs installed yet. So now we'll install Cobblemon. Go back to the web page or use the same link again. After hitting install, click on Open CurseForge. This will begin installing the Cobblemon mod pack automatically. Once the mod pack has been downloaded, there's one last step you'll need to take before launching the game. You'll have to allocate more RAM for it to run smoothly. Just click the three little dots next to the play button, then go to Profile Options. Uncheck the memory settings and assign around 4,000 to 5,000 MB of RAM, which is basically 4 to 5 GB. This helps prevent any lag during gameplay. When that's set, hit play. The Minecraft launcher will now open. Log into your account if needed, and make sure Minecraft is already installed. The launcher will create a new profile for you automatically, which should already be selected. All you need to do now is click play again. Let Minecraft load up, and that's it. You've successfully installed the Cobblemon mod. You can now jump into a single-player world, choose your starter Pokémon, and begin your survival adventure. Or, if you'd prefer, you can hop onto a multiplayer server, which is fully optimized to bring the Cobblemon experience online. Have fun playing Cobblemon, and thanks a lot for watching.